Hi there, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off screen time without passcode. If you forget your passcode and you want to turn off your screen time, then this video is for you. First you have to open your settings and go to this screen time, and from here you just need to scroll down, and from here you'll find change screen time passcode. Simply click on it. Now from here you just need to click on turn off screen time passcode. Click on it. Now from here, if you don't want to enter the passcode or if you forget this passcode, then simply click on forget passcode option here, and then you have to enter the email or the phone number that you have associated with your Apple account. Then you have to enter your password here. After entering password, simply click on OK. As soon as you enter the password of your Apple account, it will turn off on your screen. Now that's how you can turn off screen time without passcode. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.